Hey everyone, let's talk about what it really takes to become a champion on the golf course. It's not just about swinging a club, it's about embracing the journey one shot at a time. From those early morning practice sessions on the driving range to facing down tough challenges on the course, every moment shapes us into the players we're meant to be. It's about never giving up, even when the bunkers and water hazards seem endless. But oh, when you finally sink that perfect putt or crush that drive straight down the fairway, there's truly nothing like it. It's the feeling of pure joy and accomplishment that makes all the hard work worth it. So, to all the dreamers out there chasing their golfing and business goals, remember, believe in yourself. Keep pushing forward and never lose sight of the passion that brought you to the game in the first place. The journey is just as rewarding as the destination. Let's tee off and make every swing count.